that? Is that baby brother or sister? Huh? Yeah? You give baby brother or sister kisses? Give me kisses now. What are you doing? Oh, thank you. Oh, it'll be easy. There's a baby in there just like you. It's only about the size of your head. Oh, you love baby brother or sister. Easy. Oh, no, easy. Move my hand out of the way. Hey. You can't be doing that. Why don't you give kisses? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Oh, hey, be easy. Here. No. No. You gonna get mad? You can hit up there. There's no baby right here. Not down there, up here. You give kisses? Give baby brother or sister kisses? Huh? Ah, no. No. You tell mommy no? Alicia.